Hi, my name is Martin Day, CEO of Safety Media. I am pleased to re-release this series of short video clips on fire protection equipment maintenance. These short segments are designed to teach key maintenance procedures and functions of fire protection equipment while referencing Safety Media's logbooks. We hope you will appreciate this segment on hose stations and standpipes.
Hose stations are inspected on a monthly basis to ensure that hoses have not been tampered with and remain in their proper position. Check the hoses for cuts or cracks and ensure that the nozzle is in the closed position. For firefighting purposes, the hose is required to be only hand tight at the valve for quick and easy removal. Record your monthly observation in the relevant section of the fire logbook. Hose station reports are bundled with the fire extinguisher reports, so be sure to mark an X in the hose column to confirm that a hose station inspection took place. And don't forget to sign your name to conclude the report. There is no monthly requirement for standpipe maintenance, but on a yearly basis you should have an outside contractor clean and lubricate parts and conduct a proper flow test whereby the water pressure of the standpipe is tested and measured.
We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and contact us via telephone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.